Why do I keep forgetting every English word I learn? I studied so hard, but today, I can't even remember half of them. Maybe I'm just not good enough.
Hey, don't feel bad. You're not alone. Everybody struggles to remember words at first, but you're not the problem. Your method is. Let me show you 5 powerful, simple tips that will help you remember English words easily and keep them in your mind forever.
Really? Even me?
Yes, and I promise. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, step by step, so stay with me.
Every time I learn 20 words, I forget them the next day. Even if I remember, I can't use them when I speak. I know so many words, but I freeze when I need them.
Yes, those are common problems, but don't worry. We can fix this. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Step 1. Use words in sentences. Don't just memorize, use it. When you learn a new word, don't just write it down. Use it in a sentence that connects to your life.
I am excited to watch football tonight.
When you use a word in a real sentence, your brain connects it to a memory, a feeling, and it sticks better. Write or say at least 3 sentences with each new word. Like this. I'm excited to learn English. She looks excited about her trip. We're excited for the weekend.
Wow, that already feels easier to remember.
Step 2. Review regularly. Review, but not all at once. Most people forget words because they only see them once. You need to review your words several times, at the right times. This is called spaced repetition. Review after 1 day, then 2 days, then 4 days, and so on. Each time, your memory gets stronger.
Oh, so it's okay if I don't remember the first time?
Exactly. Forgetting is normal. Reviewing is what makes it permanent. Use an app or just mark your notebook to track your reviews. Step 3. Visualize with images and stories. Make it visual and fun. Your brain remembers pictures and stories better than plain words, so imagine something silly, funny, or emotional about the word. Create a little story or draw a picture. Word, brave. Picture, a stick figure fighting a dragon. Word, surprised. Picture, big eyes and mouth open. The crazier your story, the easier it is to remember.
Ha! I'll never forget brave now. That dragon was huge.
Step 4. Speak and write right away. Don't just keep it in your head. Say it and write it right away. When you use new words immediately in speaking or writing, you teach your brain. This word is important. Practice speaking to yourself in the mirror or write a mini story every day with your new words. Even a few minutes helps.
Today, I feel excited because I'm learning English. Wow, I sound good.
Step 5. Learn words in groups or themes. Learn words in groups. Instead of learning random words, group them by theme. Why? Because your brain likes patterns. Food, apple, bread, rice, chicken. Emotions, happy, sad, excited, scared. Travel, bus, train, ticket, airport. When you learn words that belong together, they support each other in your memory. You'll also find it easier to use them in real conversations.
Wow, now my vocabulary looks so much clearer.
See? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Every word you use today becomes yours forever.
I can do this, 1 word at a time.
And you watching this? You can do it too. Every little step you take today brings you closer to your goal. Don't stop now. Now tell me, which of these 5 steps are you going to try first? I'm going to try step. I read every comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English tips. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.